Hello everyone, I'm Alakananda Pramanik, Council Member of Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Public Safety and Security of West Bengal. I'm also an author and master storyteller. The Council's main aim is to uplift and transform the women of Bengal and our society. In the last session, I had given a basic introduction of Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. In today's session, I will be giving a basic introduction of Microsoft PowerPoint. So, let's start. How do you open PowerPoint? Go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Search button and start typing PowerPoint, or go to Start and scroll down to MS PowerPoint. Click on MS PowerPoint and you will get a screen like this for you to start a new presentation. You will get three options to choose your slide. One is the option to start a blank presentation. Second is the option to choose a design and the design themes. And third, an option to choose the templates from different categories like presentations, themes, education, charts, diagrams, business, infographics. If you want to make a business presentation, you click on business category, which will give you a few options. You can choose from these options. If you want to make educational presentation, you can click on education category, which will give you a few related options. You can choose from these options. In this tutorial, we will click on the blank presentation. Let us understand this screen and PowerPoint terminology. On the very top is the Quick Access Toolbar. This is available in all the versions after 2007. Below Quick Access Toolbar are the tabs File, Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animations, Slideshow, Review, View, and Tell Me What You Want. Earlier, these tabs used to be called menu bars. Inside each of these tabs, there are various options or groups available. This portion under the tabs is called ribbon, and the options under each tab are available in the ribbon. Ribbon is the most important area of PowerPoint. You can say that the ribbon is a collection of tabs. When you click a tab, you get access to a collection of tools under each option or group. If you see, the groups under Home tab are clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing, and each of these groups have further sub-options or tools available, like Group Clipboard has cut, copy, paste, format, printer. Group Slides has new slide layout, reset section. Group Font has tools like bold, italics, underline, etc. If you click on the File tab, you will get different options on the left like New, Open, Save, Save As, etc. Or use shortcut keys Ctrl+N for new file, Ctrl+O for open file. To save a file, click on the Save button on the Quick Access Toolbar right on top, or the shortcut key is Ctrl+S, or click on the tab File and choose Save from the drop-down option. It will ask you where you want to save the file and you choose the location. Say you want to save the file on desktop, then click on desktop. It will ask you to name the file. Type the name of your file, then click on Save. The name of the file in the document will change and it is created on the desktop. Below the ribbon, the large panel is called Slide Area, and the panel on the left is called the Thumbnail Area. So, to summarize, PowerPoint has a number of tools. Tools related to a specific task are clubbed together as a group, and a collection of groups is called a tab. A collection of tabs is called a ribbon. The strip that you see at the bottom is called a status bar. It gives you the status of your file. On the left of the status bar, it will show you the number of slides in your presentation and the language you are using. On the right side of the status bar, you will see some icons. Let us understand the icons. The first one is selected by default and it is normal icon. The second icon, the one next to it, is slide sorter. When you click on it, you see all the slides on one screen to see at a glance. The third icon is the reading view, and beside reading view, the fourth icon is the slideshow icon. We will come to slideshow in the end once our presentation is created. Start creating the slide. The first slide says click to add title, so click on that and type the title of the presentation. I will type PowerPoint tutorial. Click in the box below to add subtitle. I will type Wiki West Bengal. Now the first slide is ready. But the slide looks so plain and boring. Let's improve the design of the slide. So go to tab called Design and you will get options called Themes in the ribbon section. Themes allow you to add design to your slide quickly. When you place your cursor on the theme, the look of your slide changes immediately in the live preview. You shift your cursor to the next theme and the look of the slide will change accordingly. When you click on the drop-down menu, you get more options of the theme. Once you click a design, you get some options called variants of the design theme you chose. Click on each option and you will see the slide change. Add a new slide to write my content. I can go to the thumbnail view, click on the slide and press enter and I get the new slide. Traditional way of getting a new slide, go to the home tab and click on option new. Here there are two buttons, the new icon button and the drop down button. Menu related to that icon. Click on the drop down menu and choose any of the layouts as required by you. Supposing you have multiple slides, but out of those, say 3 slides are of introduction, next few slides are on, say, topic 1, topic 2 and so on. You can group these slides into sections and name the sections accordingly. Sections make our work easy when we go for a presentation. How to create the groups? Click on the first slide. Go to Slides option under Home tab. Choose the Tools section. When you click arrow by section, you will get a drop-down box. Choose Add a section. Now you see Untitled section mentioned before the first slide, the slide that you chose. At the moment, all the slides belong to the Untitled section. To change the name of the Untitled section, click on Untitled section, then go to Section drop-down box and choose Rename section. You will get a floating dialog box. Rename the Untitled section to Introduction. Now, say from the 4th slide, your presentation is of topic 1. So keep your cursor on the 4th slide, click on Section and choose Add a section from the drop-down box. Once again, you get the name Untitled section. To change the name of the Untitled section, click on Untitled section, then go to Section drop-down box and choose Rename section. You will get a floating dialog box. Rename the Untitled section to topic 1. This way you can create more sections. You can minimize the sections, collapse, expand and remove the sections. In the ribbon part of PowerPoint, you can expand groups for more options. For that, there are small arrows available. When you click on the small arrows, you can expand certain groups to get more options. Example, click on the text box on your slide. You will see that in this group, the arrow is available. When you click on the arrow, you will get a floating dialog box that gives even more options. The slide also gives you the options to insert tables, charts, smart art graphics, pictures, online pictures and videos. Now, let's enter the title of the second slide. For example, topics that we will discuss today. So, in place of click to add title, enter the title you want. Example, topic. In the subtitle section, enter the topics you will be discussing. Here, you have created a bullet point slide. To make the bullet point slide more appealing, we can use the smart art diagram. To convert the bullet point slide into a visual slide, select all the bullet points by clicking and dragging the cursor all the way down, then right click and choose Convert to Smart Art. Here you will see a lot of options available. Choose the one that you would prefer. I will choose the first one. Now the slide looks a lot better. Another way to visualize your slides is to insert pictures. Let us change the layout of one of our slides. I can go to any part of the slide and right click. Go to the option called layout and choose a different layout. We were on the title and content layout originally. We can change it and maybe choose title only layout. And now we have the space available to visualize the information. Add picture and visuals to make your slide come to life. Now let us insert a picture. Go to Insert tab, then click an option called Picture. Click on the drop-down menu and choose to insert pictures from any of the options there. Pictures that are in your folder, online pictures, screenshot or photo album. After inserting the picture, you can resize the picture by holding the handle in the corner and place it wherever you want on the slide. To label the picture, click on the Insert again and then option text box and then click on the slide and start typing the label. Let's insert another picture and label it. Now let's run the slideshow by clicking the slideshow icon on the right hand corner of the status bar. Select your first slide and then click on option slide show to present your slides. To go to the next slide, hit enter or space bar or use up and down arrow keys on your keyboard or page up and page down on your keyboard. To come out of the slideshow, hit escape key. On the third slide, we have 4 elements, 2 pictures and 2 labels. Let's add simple animation to reveal one element at a time. Click on the picture that you want to animate. Go to Animation tab and choose a simple animation. After showing the picture, you want to show the label too. Click on the label and once again go to Animation tab and choose an animation. You can do this for the second picture and the second label too. Once done, run the slideshow again to show the audience the animation effect. To come out of the slideshow mode, hit Escape. In the end, let's add transition from one slide to another, so the movement from one slide to another gets more dramatic. Go to slide 1, go to transition and choose the options from there. It will show you the preview of the selected transition. To have the same transition for all slides, go to Apply to All. That applies the transition to all the slides. Now you can run the slideshow once again. To go to the next page, press Enter, space bar, arrow keys, page up, page down. To come out of the slideshow, hit Escape. Today we learned how to open a slide, save a slide, PowerPoint terminology, create a slide by clicking and writing a text, insert a new slide, convert a basic bullet point into a smart art diagram, visualize our information by inserting pictures and corresponding labels, add animation, add transition, present your slide. When you come right on top, rightmost corner, there are buttons for minimize, maximize, close. If you want to close a file, you can click on the cross on the topmost right corner or click on tab file and choose close from the drop down option. And shortcut to close the file is Alt F4. Hope you understood the basic layout of Microsoft PowerPoint and how to create a simple and interesting presentation with pictures and visualization. More to come in the next video. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video.